Today I'm coming at you with the Bonnet Mitt. Stay tuned and I'll show you how you can use a bonnet mitt in a very practical way to up your game on upholstery cleaning, whether it's commercial or residential. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's start off with a disclaimer. First of all, the best way to clean upholstery is with an extraction tool. However, there are situations when the upholstery is light to medium soil, or for example with commercial pieces where you've got a lot of chairs, for example, that need to be cleaned quickly. They're just lightly soiled, mostly dust. Man, I'll tell you, the bonnet mitt is the way to go. Check it out, you're gonna love it. Now here's what you do, it's very simple. Now you could wear gloves if you want to, just to be extra safe, but in fact, Release It products are very safe to work with. So now what you do is you mix up a 5-gallon bucket of Encap Clean DS2, take your bonnet mitt, dunk it in there, wring it out tight, and then put your bonnet mitt on your hand and simply go over the surface of the chair really quickly. Just wipe it, wipe both surfaces. It takes less than a minute per chair. If you're doing a larger piece like a sofa or a settee, it might take a little bit longer, but it's so quick. Very efficient way to clean that light to medium soil. Now if it's heavily soiled, again, extraction with the typical upholstery tool would be the best way to go about doing it. But for light maintenance cleaning, you can fly through an entire building's worth of chairs very quickly and do the lion's share of what you need with a bonnet mitt. It's a very practical way to get through upholstery cleaning very quick and efficiently. And of course, if you're working with an encapsulation product, it's that much better because you don't have any sticky residue left on the chair surface or on the upholstery that's going to attract soil. It's also great if you want to limit your moisture. For example, if you're cleaning office partitions, headliners, upholstered pieces that you want to be very cautious not to get too wet, you can control your moisture very easily with a bonnet mitt. Now it has these little scrub strips in it which helps to give it a little agitation. It's not too aggressive. Keep in mind you're just simply using your hand to clean with, and basically what you're doing is you're doing bonnet cleaning by hand with the mitt. So you're just going to wipe the surface. So basically what you're going to do is you just wipe the surface of the chair. Normally you can do about 2 chairs, flip it over, do 2 more chairs, and it's ready to be dunked back in the bucket and wrung out again, and you're good for, again, normally about 2 chairs per side of the bonnet mitt when you're doing typical commercial chairs in an office building. As your solution gets dirty, dump it and put some new fresh detergent in there, but you can go pretty good distance with a bucket of mixed up detergent. So it's a cost-effective way to quickly clean upholstery, and also in applications where you want to do really low moisture upholstery cleaning. So something you might want to add to your arsenal for upholstery cleaning. Give it a shot. I think you're going to like it. They're not terribly expensive, and if there's anything I or my staff here at Excellent Supply can do to help you to max your end cap, let us know. Thanks for watching and have a great day.